Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I wanted to give this little radio, very inexpensive, and it has a shortwave band, AM and FM shortwave, and I wanted to give it a little better chance to see how it does on shortwave. So I'm down in my radio room, and we're just going to use, initially, a built-in telescopic antenna, which is only 12, 15 inches on shortwave. So let's see what happens. And we're going to turn it on. And we're going to make sure we got the shortwave band selected. There we go. And we'll go all the way down to the bottom of the band. And it is 6:45 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. A little bit of reflection there. Okay, here we go. And it's a little hard to tune. Try to hold it steady. There you go. Let me see. Let me get my glasses on. Probably around 6.0. Getting some kind of interference right there. Maybe my monitor. Pretty strong. I think that's maybe in Okeechobee, Florida. Kind of hold it over here. It likes it over here better. Something there. Same station, different frequency. Appears to be a DSB, which means muting while tuning. So it's easy to miss a station. You have to tune it a little bit, give it a second to recover, and then listen and see if there's any station there. Brought up to 8.0. That seems about it. I'm up to 16 megahertz. Okay, now let's turn this off. What we're going to do is I have right here, I have my Megaloop antenna, and it's connected to my SDR. I'm going to unplug that, and then I'm going to take this cable and I'm going to hook alligator clip on the center conductor, and I'm going to clip it to this telescopic antenna and see what it does. Okay, so we're at the top of the band right now. Turn it back on. Turn it back on. Okay, this is best case. There we go. Go back. Right in there somewhere. That's about 21 megahertz. We'll keep going down. down. Something strong there for a second. I can't catch it. Right in there. With this muting while tuning, it makes it very hard. There's a station here, but I can't lock onto it. Okay, I'm going to go on. Whoop. That's probably Okeechobee, just on a different frequency, about 17 megahertz. Now let me go back, see if I can find it again. Okay, there it is. I'm going to unclip the outside antenna. Totally gone. Same station. Disconnect the antenna. So that one's pretty strong. That's about 9 point something. Yeah, same station, just a different frequency. Okay. I think that's out of Tennessee. Let me unclip the outside antenna. Still there. So, conclusion is, based on this limited testing, is that with the built-in telescopic antenna, and the results are going to vary because shortwave changes all the time, and your location is another big factor, time of day, but trying to tune this on shortwave is very difficult. I can see why that one gentleman that I showed you his radio, where he taped something here so he could mark the stations he was interested in and be able to go back to them. I can see why he did that. But on FM and medium wave, this radio does a great job. For like $15 and on sale like $10, this is not a bad radio. It's well made, nice and smooth, corners and everything. So I like the radio for like a pocket radio to carry around to listen to FM and AM. But shortwave, I wouldn't even bother. It's just too frustrating having to use, which is typical of little radios with little shortwave antennas. You're just not going to get much. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing shows you're interested in, not wasting your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.